your bed.
But where's the other rail then?
Look to the bed.
Yay!
That's your bed.
No bouncing.
Thanks, Mom.
You like it, Logan?
Why is it like this?
Do you
Guys, look.
like it?
Yay! But why is it like this?
We redid it for you.
Look, guys.
What?
For Big Boy Room.
You have more costumes in here, hanging on these hooks.